Click the keyword software, select printer, then all the settings are good for here to start. Put in our file in Cruise2STL. Click on the STL, select the Extruder 1 and Extruder 2 separately. You can see that both of the data are the same. All are the reference data. You can do some change, depends on you. Like the settings here, I put first line is 150%. It will help to solve the problem with the first layer if it doesn't stick on the hot bag when you did not do a good bed leveling. For here, we also add the support by menu. You can check the marketplace here to install the custom support application. And one important part is the distance of the prime tower. Do not set it too far away from your model, which will waste of time, and recommend you to do the same setting for both extruders. Hey guys, how's your holiday? Today we have a new 2-color printing printer, CRX Pro, which is a new upgrade version based on our CRX. All the models here are printed from our CRX Pro. You can see that it's very smooth and detailed. For our CRX Pro, we are not only print in 2 colors, but also come with Beer Touch, Silent Board, Meanwell power. If you want to get more information, just go check our official website. If you have any questions, just do the comments below. If you like our channel, just follow us. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.